This is Grant Livewire. This is the Sonos Arc Ultra. This is the new Sonos Arc, which we all know and love, but this is a little more souped up. The Arc Ultra, it really brings a lot more spatial audio. It has a built-in sub into it, so it has all the boom you want. This actually has 14 physical speakers. This thing is gonna pump. It really is taking your audio to a whole new level. It has a little bit slimmer design, so you can fit it in a little tighter spaces. It has the highest level of connectivity to any of your devices. Music, television, audio, like it really just makes it seamless. It has an Ethernet jack if you want to hardwire this. Bluetooth button here makes it really easy to connect your system. The HDMI real-time analysis, so it's gonna sound exactly the way you want every time you walk into the room. It's really clean, it's really simple to set up. If you want the simplest but the most immersive sound in one tight setup, the Sonos Arc Ultra, you're gonna love it every time you walk into the room. Thanks for watching, see you next time.